Morning, guys. How are you guys? How's everyone doing? I hope you guys are having a great day today trading. All right, let's get it started. Looks like we are kind of futures is down. I saw some. Oh, I'm not gonna do monthly. I'm gonna do day. Okay. Yeah, Fastly has been selling from that level like 80. So right at 79 right now. Why my internet so freaking slow? But you can really bottomed out. Oh, it's a 198, 199. That's even better. So a lot of these tickers are. How's Puton doing? Puton is doing wonderful for me. I've been selling the Iron Condor. I told so many times, and it's just been yeah. Let me take some questions. And yeah, morning guys. Hey Hemanta, it never hurts. Like if you are up nicely, take a profit. Like right, you are 2K. You can be greedy, but again, it's your call. But taking profit, think about it. Like you take 200, 2,000 every month, and you got 24K, right? So taking profit is a good thing. But if you wanna hold it, Apple looks good though. Apple chart is extremely good. I think we can see 25 to 30 in the near term. But it's your call. I really don't suggest like when to buy, when to sell. But my account might drop below because of NIO drop. If I'm down below 20, my account goes off margin, what happens? uh, 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 Not sure. If you are using a margin, you will be charged interest depending upon if you are using margin. But it just, if your account is below 25K, you cannot day trade. So basically, if it's again depending, if it's a cash account, you can trade. But if it's not in cash account, you cannot day trade. That's all. But other than that, nothing different happens. What does scalp mean? Okay, so scalping is getting in really quick and really getting out really. Oh wow. So pretty much everything. Okay, Datadog. I may kind of get into some Datadog actually. Okay, Fastly, great. So what is scalping means, right? So scalping is basically, let's look at, is there anything the green where I can kind of show you? Nothing. Oh, apps is this. Okay, let's look at the put, right? So scalping is basically you are looking really small time frame. Let's say you are looking at 1 minute, right? So what happened? You basically, let's say you got a put here, you sold it. You got a put here, you sold it. Really quick, really quick. You are not even waiting for it. Scalping is quick. Get in, get out, get in, get out. And think about it. You can actually make a lot of money if you know what to do, right? 41.83 within a seconds. The next candle 41.27. That's almost like what, 80 to 20, right? 60 cents, right? So per stock you're making 60. 100 stock, that's $60. 1,000 stocks, you're making $600. You got to be extremely fast. You have to be really, really fast. If you are really fast, you can actually do that. So that's all it is. That's all it is. That's a scalping. I'm gonna take a questions. I do need to maybe sell some puts, do some of my own thing. Reset chat. Also, if you guys are new, don't forget to like and subscribe. That click that button. Okay, so we scalping AMD. AMD. Do you think AMD chart was really good? I think I posted AMD chart too. So AMD is looking for a really good setup. Oh yeah. So one thing is it has a double top around 98. So be careful about that. You can see that, but chart was extremely bullish after this. Yeah. So there's a resistance. If we cross this resistance, uh, it would be really huge. I'm gonna post this into my Twitter. Actually, so if I do that, that would be good. Done. AMD. AMD looks really good though. AMD looks really good. Oh man, AMD is looking really good. I really like AMD. Yeah, AMD looks really good. So it actually seems like it's breaking out, and and volume still new, but 1 million within 43. Still, one thing is day is not that great, but yeah, AMD looks good though. AMD does looks good. So somebody said AMD. Zoom puts were other play. I think Zoom puts really good. So Zoom puts will probably yeah, yeah. Morning. I will probably get like Tesla trade. So my plan for Tesla is again, it's probably not working, or maybe working. Uh, yeah, my plan for Tesla, I may get like deep in the money. Just a second, I got one call, so I gotta take that call. But after that, I will. All right, guys. All right. Let's look at. Oh wow, Tesla is 550. Wow. So I was kind of talking about Tesla, and looks like Tesla is, geez, 550. Okay, okay. I think it's, yeah. It may be good time to buy the dip actually. Get it like few weeks out till I still expect it to go pretty much. I'm gonna get some deep in the money like this week itself. So what my plan is for Tesla. So I do that like quick. So Tesla is down significantly. It's 46 actually. Uh, and if I get December buy call like 500, and let's see if how much 5510 pays. 48, about 150. So select 500 and sell 510, which is 835. Not bad. Preview. I gotta get maybe 5 of those. Okay, if it executes, executes. If not, that's fine. But I got deep in the money just betting like if it stays above, if it doesn't go another 38 in 2 days, I'll make some. But Tesla kind of dropped the hues. Oh wow, I did not really expect that, but oh well. Okay. So 97, 80. 80 is still good. Okay, Tesla is already up. So one thing I'm kind of thinking is J&J. If J&J down, J&J down, it could be really good to scale in. Oh no, see, good companies are not down. It would be really good. Like I should have just got in right here. It has been range bound in this area so much. Uh, and if you guys are new, have not, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tesla need to play those extra. Need to pay those extra $10, RJ. For what? AMD deal with Amazon. Yeah, yeah. Well, let's wait for things to settle down. Again, NIO, I'm not adding in. I actually sold yesterday. I had puts though, but I sold. But NIO, one thing was, if you look at this, right? One thing is always need to have a patience. Why people were like screaming they want to buy it here, but where are you? If you are a long-term buyer, you gotta buy it here, not here, right? This is a good time to buy in. Today, in fact, like 38. Wow. So we dropped, and it seems like we recovered from there. So a lot of buying happening, but see, if you're thinking of long term, this is the time to add, not sell, right? Always look for, like, it's probably right. We are this is 50 day, so we are hitting almost at 50 day. This is a good time to add, right? 50 days moving average, right? So EMA probably will be a little bit up. So this is a good time to add when you are in 50 days for long term. But you need to believe in a company. It was way overextended. It needed a pullback, and pullback happens, and a lot of people actually they are probably shaken out, and they lose a lot. Okay, net is down, Roku is down, Twilio is down, pins, Square, okay, Fiverr a little bit, but yes, SE, wow, SE is pretty strong, and Melee is strong. Man, Melee, I grabbed few, like just few on when it was like $1,000 a couple months, like few months ago, and man, I wish I should have bought loaded up. It's already 50% up. So except put on pretty much red day, nothing exciting here. I may sell some fastly puts. Okay, wow. Oh wow, my Tesla executed, so I'm already up a couple percent. I got 10 of those 500, 510. and I'm gonna get some Fastly. So Fastly is 76. That's good. Um, I'm gonna do in my Webull account. If you are not in Webull, there's a link in my profile. Sign up, get some free stock, guys. It's free. So yeah, how much? Yeah, I have enough cash. So market. Fastly. So a lot of opportunity on the market today. Lot of if you are selling options, good day. Puts. So if I sell puts for 2 days for 75, I'm getting almost like sell. So I'm gonna get I'm gonna get mid price of 130. Okay, that executed. So if it goes 75, I'll be assigned. I'm fine as getting the Fastly at 75, and I may actually do that for DKNJ. DKNJ is it? DKNG is it selling off? Nah, I don't know. Like how much 45 will be? Probably not much. So this red day is great day to sell puts. So DKNG is at 49. So if we go 45, 20 bucks. Maybe I'll do 46.5 at 46. Yeah, 46 looks good. I'll do sell puts 46. Do I want to do two? Eh, I'll just do one. Mid, sell, confirm. So if it executes, executes. If not, that's fine. Why the hang up? Man, there's so much hang up. All right, I'll look at some of your questions. Let's. When do you have back in the do you think stocks are NIO long terms? Like a few of the reports saying Biden will reverse Trump's stocks ban in China. Tesla going back to 400. Probably not 400 soon, but let's see. The thing is, like, think about it, right? They've been delivering, but they're very small. They're very small. It was just the hype. The stock doesn't move like 200, 300. New is up almost like new was $1 now, like couple dollars last year. So it's almost like what, 1,000+%, right? So that's yeah, that could be one of the reason I saw that. So Musk is, and the other thing is, like, if you look at, like, Tesla is barely profitable. The most of the profit they make is selling credit, right? So what is selling credit? Selling credit is basically, I think crowd is a good dip buy, but if you are looking for stocks or options, so for short terms you may need to look into it. May go down a little bit, but if you get like few months, like, I like crowd, I own crowd, and I really love crowd. Oh yeah, if it doesn't pass, it will dump hard. Like CGC, I have some lips, but oh wow, I grabbed this bad boy when it was like what, 13 or 14, probably somewhere around here. I mean, not here, I got it way before here, but I got in when it was like 13, 14 bucks. I got 20 calls, and yeah, they went really well. Okay, so this is where Datadog is, I think. So Datadog, I'm getting some 90, 95 dealer dog probably. So 140. Maybe I'll just do 135. Mm, for 500, 600, and I'm gonna add T-Doc 90, 95. T-Doc. Let's see how that happens. But T-Dog is a good. I think if you had a lot of people asking me leaps, T-Dog leaps would be really good. I think, in my opinion. So, space long terms crowd good. The vote coming in. How long for the wheat recovery after today? Well, again, it depends, right? If the vote is nah, it will be bad for wheat. They will probably drop a huge. They've been like running past few weeks. When everything is down, it doesn't matter what is stock, right? 2% down is barely even down. I won't even consider it's down. It's probably like you should say flat. Uh, do we have Celsius? Celsius drink. CALS. What's the ticker for Celsius drink? CELH. I was kind of looking. I was looking to buy this. So if it's well, see, goodie stocks always going up. I was thinking of buying it, but it's down. 20 would have been perfect area. Not gonna buy it. How is your favorite Amazon? Amazon. I'll probably just do like 22. So I have auto set for Amazon. If it drops below, I'll get it. If not, it's fine. This has been very tight range. Amazon has been in a very tight range, so it's ready to blast. It's just we don't know when. But oh, Zoom is up. That's interesting. Apps. Oh, I gotta do apps. So fastly I sold puts. That's all. Dog. I'll do. So I'll do DKNG. DKNG is already up. Position. I don't have any positions. Options. I'm gonna do puts, and if I could get maybe 36, 30 bucks, sell, trade. If I get 15 or maybe 20, I will sell. Not much, and I will do on apps. Apps option puts 21. Okay, these are I'll do 30. 5, 2. Are you guys having some issue with Webull? I'm having some issue with Webull. Some APPS. Sell puts 35. So that's fine. 2. Sell puts 35. 18 December. Confirm. Okay, so if it executes, execute. If not, that's great. Apps was down significantly. It has not. I think apps was almost 10%. Oh, wow. It was down 38 and it recovered fine really well. Jeez. So you better be fast. I'm gonna look into the back and the Tesla, I guess. CELS, that's a good one. Pins snap. So pins. Yeah, it kind of some pullbacks on pin. I'll really get in if it breaks all-time high. Still bullish on pins. I think a lot of growth, but one thing you notice is volume is decreasing, which is a good sign too. Like on sell day, volume decreasing, that means not a lot of sellers. So that's good, but I don't see any good setup. Kind of making a head at soldier, maybe like this soldier head. If it makes that, that would be really bad. But let's see how that turns out. Yeah, I sold all pins I had. I sold. Yeah, snaps looking good, right? Those weak are just holding support right on the support, so still holding it. Next resistance is at 47. Anything above 47 will be really good for that. Back is a value. It was beaten down, has recovered since, and we are right at resistance. Look at that. We are right at resistance. We need to cross that resistance. This resistance is all the way from what? From June high. So it needs to bridge for anything upside. Probably we have some upside. I have to go back a little bit past if I want to do that. Yeah, we probably going to 30 and then up, but definitely pretty decent chart. But we are right at resistance. And yeah, I went over Tesla. Yeah, 58, that's great. So we sold off steep, but kind of bouncing back. Man, apps I should have got a little bit earlier. Somehow the app wasn't working great, but yeah, Tesla is doing great so far. I have five, 10 calls, so which should be looking good so far. Nice, nice, nice. Tesla was So Tesla went up to 40, 41, 42. Looks like. Oh, wow. IOVA, AMD. I have no idea about IOV, so I cannot really tell. But oh wow, nice. Look at that. It did make nice cup and handle. See, uh, there's a little bit noise, but nice cup. A little bit of handle. A little bit down. Should be this way, but going high. Looks like a good time to enter actually. The chart, if you ask me, chart looks good. Uh, like, is it Eugenic therapeutic? Again, biotech. Biotech, one thing is like if they have some approval, just moons. If they don't have approval, they just dies down. But looks pretty good. Apps was on sale. Apps was on sale. Also, if you guys are not subscribed to, subscribe to my Twitter. After hour market hours, if I see good setup, I post it, and I actually posted like apples and J&J a few times before. That was really good. Not sure what was the price target, but yeah. So I sometimes news and whatever, and a lot of people have questions. Do that. So yeah, if you are uh, RJT Trades, the same logo, you will recognize me. Don't forget to. I'm in a TikTok too. I guess it will show me. Yep, I'm in TikTok too. Um, I'm at 5,000. I'm planning to go live once I reach 10K. But see, I posted calendar. I posted another calendar before where a lot of people's got in. So I have a lot of things. So follow. So a lot of contents are different. So do follow me there too. If you are new, if you have not, if you are in that platform, if you don't like, don't have to sign up. What else? Uh, Oh, DKNG, I did like sell puts. So I think I don't know, even it's not paying. So DKNG. So what I did was DKNG. I had some cash, so I sold puts for 45. So if it goes 45 this week, it's fine. If not, I will collect like 30 or 40 bucks. I sell the like two contracts, so that's like either I will get the stock at $45. Well, I'll get it no matter, but I collected like about 100 something, right? So that was one play. That's 100 in 3 days. We don't have much time, right? So kind of in my favor. Same thing I did with the Fastly. So Fastly, um, yeah, Fastly I did same, right? I sold 75, a little bit aggressive. I sold Fastly 75, I think, but so $3 down I will be assigned probably, but I got almost $2, I think I got almost $2 for that. So 200 bucks, right? So my average cost will be 73 even if I'm assigned, right? So even if I, as long as it's above 73, I'm profitable, so I can do covered calls or whatever, right? And I don't mind owning the stock. So I did same with the apps is for 18. So apps is a little bit 18. um, I got like 140 bucks. This one probably could have picked better. I was a little late crashing up, but I had two of those apps, and it's cheap, right? And but it does it will be 18, so not weekly, so it's a monthly contract. But you know, these are the stocks I don't mind owning. I'm fine assigning, so I don't want to buy it right here, but I would buy it if it reaches like 35 right here, right? I'm buying it right here in the support too, if you look at the technical standpoint. and on the way I'm collecting some premium. So my cost will be like $2 less, so my cost will be 33. So I'm basically buying at 33. Even if it goes down again, there's chance it may go like here 18, I'll be losing. So that's always there. But yeah, I mean, you cannot just make money, you have the both side. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Well, yeah, AMD had a news, right? Eddie, AMD had the news like Amazon is using. I don't know if it was, what date is today. Oh, today is December 2. Somehow I was thinking it's 4 or something, but today is December 2. Oh wow. Okay. Today is December 2. Cool. Why I'm repeating. Anyway, so they had a news like Amazon will be using AMD chips for a lot of their servers and whatever. Space, they don't have revenue and something. It's a hype stock, so I cannot really tell. I won't say like buy or sell. I do have some leaves, but I got a lot cheaper when it was like 15, 16 bucks. I think weeks, and they're totally VIX is Barclay, and VIX is for the S&P 500 index. Okay, I guess this is doing the 500 index. I again I need to yeah, I think this is, yeah, this is, I think this is probably a better one, probably more liquidity too. So VIX is basically the 500 index, so top 500, basically telling what's the, basically this will mimic SPY up down kind of that one, but it's literally telling like how much you expect. So 12, so about 2% in a monthly. So just the fear and gauze. You can use both of those, probably like performance gonna be similar. So about 1%. Oh wow. Hmm. Oh, that's interesting. They're kind of a little bit opposite, but should be short term. Okay, one thing, this looks like a short term. The other one probably like the VIX is the long term. I think this is telling the year, like within a month or so. So that could be, but need to look into that. Yeah, yeah. If you guys are new and have not subscribed, do subscribe my channel. Okay, that's 99. That's good. 2699. Can one people subscribe? I'm at 2699. I wanna be 2700 today. I guess I'll be. Also, if you have any suggestion or questions on the kind of any, kind of, I think I'll make a video on different strategy you can kind of use and how that works and whatnot. Maybe go through those today, and uh, okay. Thanks. I'm at 27. Thank you guys again. Thank you. Thanks for coming into my live. If you have any question or comment, always let me know. I'll make a lot of these videos, and as always, like pretty much, if you want to know about something, ask me, ping me, message me, comment in video. I will make. And there's not. Yeah, subscribe to YouTube. There's where do you subscribe? Like okay, am I right here? Or yeah, subscribe to YouTube right there. I guess. Okay, that's my YouTube. RJ Trades. I guess you can do that, and yeah, just go there, click any of the video, and you should watch this.
With
This works.
Fundrise, real estate investing is simpler and smarter than ever before. Join the community of over 130,000.
Okay, I don't want that ad, but one thing is you need to. Okay, Somebody was saying the volume was kind of low, but remember, right? By not investing money in, yeah, watch this video. I think this video will be really good. You will get lot of okay, I need to yeah, this is basically like I'll tell you how to put your portfolio investing. I think everybody, even if you are daily trading, you should put some money, whatever you can, like depending. If you can put 1,000, great. If you can put 100, great. Even if you can put $50 or even 10, $25, it matters. If you look at the long run, investing $50 for first 20 to 30 and not investing just makes so much difference. So definitely watch this video. I have a lot of other videos too, and subscribe is it nothing, right? So you can just go and click subscribe. That's all. Click subscribe, and I think the bell button gonna come. Click that bell button so that you get update about if I'm posting anything and whatnot. But yeah. Okay, collateral, how much? So 45 puts, right? So whatever the puts times that, right? 45 puts, one contract means 100 shares. You need 4,500 for one contract. So 10 contract, 45,000. So times 10. So one contract is 4,500. Some some account they let you get away with less margin too, cause it's in margin, but most will want that much money. Most will want basically you need 45,000 if you want to sell 10. Apple is popping, that's good. Nice, nice, nice. This is good as long as it does, like, see, with if you have options, if you have day like this, you lose value really quick. At least we have a kind of bullish calendar, right? So we don't care. It can go like 10 cents today, 10 cent down. If it goes 23, 24, great. You make money. You make good money, right? So this is good beauty about with calendar. You don't need to like have to be exactly. This is great for us, like kind of theta decay just going, and maybe you can scale in if you think so. It's a great play. Okay, I do have a video you should watch. I do have a video in YouTube you should watch, but I can kind of explain real quick right here. Okay, okay, okay. New window. Just a second. Uh, uh, Text me. I'll get a text. 784 338 confirm, close. Pretty good. So I think I have an Apple calendar down. I will. So this is Apple Calendar we got. I just got 5. I may probably scale in some more, maybe get 5 or 10. Um, this is down 2% today, but I think overall it's still up $10 or whatever. Yesterday a little bit up, but the idea is, so how do you buy a calendar? You sell. So get like 3-4 weeks out. Again, you can do like weekly, whatever you want, but not a great idea in most cases. But what you can do is, I don't know why it says one available. Anyway, view all options. What you do is to get a calendar. So for example, today is this, right? So what you do is you basically pick a price where you think the stock gonna be around that area, but it doesn't have to be in that area. You can make money if it's down, you can make money if it's up, right? Doesn't really matter. But the gist is basically, let's say you selected something like December 18, right? What you do is you sell call for that, and you choose the same strike. For example, here if you think by December 18 Apple gonna be about 125 or around that area, you sell call. So you sell call that, right? Now you go 1 month ahead. So 1 month ahead means December to January, right? So you pick the same 30 days usually. So Jan 15, which is not exactly always, but about 30 days, right? So you pick the same price, but here you buy call. Your buying call same, which I already do, but here you are doing is buying call, right? Okay, buying call. The cost for this is $246, right? The cost is $249. You see, so the cost is 250, always changing. So how you make money, right? So you make money if the stock price end up at 125 exactly. That's when you make the max money. But you can make usually in this trade, probably if the stock is between 120 to 130, you'll still make some money. You won't lose money. Max it has to be 125, but you still make it. Why? Is basically, look at the short legs, right? You are selling this, you are making money. So each day time pass and stock doesn't move, this will decrease in value. This will decrease in value, but this decrease so fast because the expiration is earlier. This is expiration is further, right? So this is expiration is really early, this is further. That's why it takes, you still have some time for left, right? So for example, this is 3 weeks only, but this is more than a month. So if you look at like something, if you look at a pick a call 125 for so basically by 18 it will have almost 4 weeks. So if you pick something 4 weeks out, so this is already 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, like 24 24. And if you look at 25, it's going at 290 or something, right? Around 280 290. So if same thing happens, even if stock prices, let's say it's remain same 120, by that time you'll make about 280, right? You got at 250, that's $30 profit in one contract. So if you have 10, that's 300. If you have 100, that's 3000. That's how you make it money. So that, even it doesn't even have to move, even if it is stay. So when do you lose the money? So I actually make a video. When do you lose is usually for this contract, if it goes below 120, you will lose, or above 130, you will start losing. But you have a lot of room, 20 to 30, big room, right? With the options, it has to pass that point, right? With that time. So it's hard. With this other strategy, you can still make money slowly. These are theta strategy. I cover all this strategy, how to get in details in uh, okay, all I cover all this in my course. I have a course especially made for that ultimate theta strategy. I have everything in that. I have a lot of free content. Again, like you can actually watch my YouTube and everything. But if you wanna like a kind of structured way, exactly what to, it will be easier. I put there. Uh, I had a deal for this Black Friday, 50% up, still up. If you want to use it, probably today sometimes I will remove that, but if you want to still join, you can join. But this is strategy, you can make consistent income. You're not going to lose mostly. So that's where the idea. I hope that helps. Yeah, I guess that helped. Anyway, guys, seems like a great day. Have a great day, and yeah, if you have any question, let me know. But other than that, see you guys tomorrow and day after tomorrow, maybe. Yeah. And if you have any questions, I'll probably make some video on a different strategy actually. But other than that, have a great day. Thank you.